How to check and top up your engine oil. All engines consume oil, so it is important to check the oil level regularly and top up when the oil is at the minimum or below. When checking your oil level, make sure the engine is cold and that the vehicle is on a level surface. Open the bonnet using the lever. Locate the dipstick by looking for the oil icon. Check your car manual if you're not sure where the dipstick is located. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, and put it in again. Wait a few seconds before slowly pulling it back out again. If the oil is below or only slightly above the minimum mark, you need to add oil. As a rule of thumb, the difference between the minimum and maximum mark is approximately 500 milliliters of oil. Look for the measurement scale on the bottle to see how much oil is in the bottle before and after you have topped up.